All right, this is a 2018 Chevy 3500. It's got the DURAMAX diesel 4-wheel drive. We just installed 6 brand new tires. These are the HANKOOK DynaPro MT2s, 33 by 1250 R20 LTs. That was over $2,000. We just put those on, so you won't have to worry about tires for a long time. It's got the window tint, trailer tow mirrors. You got the custom fuel wheels, that deep dish look. There's those tires. You have the BCI fabrications rhino lined topper that goes on top of the CM flatbed. I don't know all the specs on this, but I'm gonna go through it the best I can, and you'll find some more of the options online in the comment section. There's a fuel cell here. Let's see if I can't show you. It's a 70-gallon fuel tank there. On top of the headache rack, there's some LED spotlights there. This truck does have a backup camera. It also has Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto. Roll the windows down so you can get some light in. That window tint's really dark. Turn this off so you can hear me. Got the single zone climate control, traction control, cab lights. There's your exhaust brakes. You got some storage underneath. You have your 110 plug, 12 volt. There's your 4-wheel drive. You have 38,318 miles. Got your cruise control, trailer brake, automatic headlights. This has the convenience package on it, so it does have the power windows, locks, and side mirrors. You got the Husky liners on top of the vinyl floors. You have the gray cloth seats, 40-20-40 split bench. So the center console here will flip up to give you another seat. You also have the Husky liners on top of the vinyl floors here in the back. Got your switch here. You do have ONSTAR there in the mirror and your LED map lights, and you also have the visor that goes across the front window here, the visor for the tint. And there's your keys. Like I said in the beginning, we just installed all 6 brand new tires. It was over $2,000, so you don't have to worry about any of that. And you're good to go.